Hi guys, we are going to make this picture like paint. If you wanna learn how to do that, watch the rest of the video. Welcome to the Atria Graphics channel. In this channel, we are going to teach you how to use several softwares. If you like this video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell to get a notification when we are upload a video. And leave a comment if you had any question. Alright, let's go. We are going to make this effect in our picture. First of all, we are just copy that layer with Alt and drag and hide that, and we are going to this layer and we are going to filter and liquify. All right, that open this window. We are going to use this tool, forward warp tool, and this tool is pushing the pixels around our picture. You see it's so pushing, something like that, and we are just control that with the pressure. For that effect I use a 50% pressure and this. All right, and density is 50, and you can just bigger or smaller your brush with the arrow key left or right, and this is good. That's not so big, and we are just drag our picture to pushing our pixels. It's so easy, that's not so hard. And we are going to this woman. For not select this woman in this picture, we are using freeze mask tool. In this tool, we are just brush or woman, and you see it's alarm to us because its show mask is unable. We enable the show mask and you can see our painting is showing in the picture. We are just paint this woman. It's not going to be so perfect selection or paint, but it's good for this picture. We are just paint. Alright, it's good. It's so good for this picture. And we are just enable the show mask, and you see when I drag I mouse, it's not affecting in this moment. Control Z. It's so good for using this tool, freezing mask, and we are just going to the forward warp tool, and we are going to continue our job. It's not so hard, and actually it's so easy. Our picture is something like painting or something like that, and it's so cool actually for some of pictures. It should happen like that. You should, oh, I'm sorry, sometimes it's just you brush so lot and or picture is come out like, all right, like this. Picture is going out the jump. You should just hit that pin edges. You see, it's so clean and good. You can just hit OK, and your picture is done. That's my first editing, and that's my two editing for you. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you. if you like this video, just hit that subscribe button to support us and hit the bell to get a notification when we are upload a video. Thank you and have a good editing.